and now I'm not gonna teach you about getting your good angle for your selfies on Facebook and Instagram. Because today, I'm gonna teach you about the positive and negative angle in calculus. Yes, calculus. So to start this video tutorial, let me define what is an angle first. So in trigonometry, an angle is drawn in what is called the standard position. So its vertex is at the origin and one side of an angle is drawn along the positive x-axis. So this time, we will tackle about the parts of an angle first. So, as you can see in my illustration, this is the x-axis and the y-axis with the initial side and the terminal side. So, the initial side is the side wherein it is the fixed side along the positive x-axis. And then to make an angle, imagine this side being rotated about from the origin. So, this side is what we call the terminal side. So this time, we will go to our main topic, which is the positive and negative angle. So these two types of angle can be easily identified. Why? Because when the degree of an angle is positive, the angle rotates counterclockwise in direction from the initial side. So this is the initial side and it will rotate counterclockwise. And then when the angle is negative, so the angle will rotate clockwise from the initial side. So to learn more about the positive and negative angle, I will show you some examples. So our first example is 45 degrees. So first I made the x-axis and the y-axis and the initial side. So as we all know, 45 degrees is positive. So the angle will be rotating counterclockwise. So at first we will locate where 45 degrees is. So let us just say that here is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees rotated counterclockwise, and then I will just make the terminal side. So this is the way on how to sketch or graph the degree of 45 degrees counterclockwise. So our next example is negative 285 degrees. So as we can see, negative 285 degrees is negative. So we will rotate its angle in a clockwise manner. So here is the initial side, and then we will rotate it here. So it's 90 degrees, and then another one for its 180 degrees, and then another one, so 270 degrees. So 270 to get 285, so just 285 minus 270 equals 15. So we will just add 15 degrees here. So let's just say here is the 15 degrees. So I will just make a terminal side for it. So this is how we sketch negative 285 in our quadrant. So in example number 3, we have 5 pi over 2. So we use radian measure. So as we all know, 5 pi over 2 is positive. So we will rotate our angle in a counterclockwise manner. So we will start here at the initial side. So from 0, we will rotate it here to get pi over 2. And then here to get pi, because pi is equals to 180. And then here to get 3 pi over 2, which is equivalent to 270 degrees. And then we will have here, which is 2 pi. So, as we all know, the given is 5 pi over 2. So, we will rotate it another one. So, let us say that the 5 pi over 2 is located here. So, we will just put it here and then here. So, this is the graph of 5 pi over 2. That that ends my video tutorial about the positive and negative angle. So I hope that you learned something new. So give me a thumbs up, and then if you want, you can add me on Facebook, Toni Abegail, and then you can follow me on my IG account and Twitter account at Toni and at TonyX. Thank you!